Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Note 50 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to tap on the apps. They should be on the third position from the top. Now scroll down and tap on Special App Access and localize the option called Install Unknown Apps. And here we've got some apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case, to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install something. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, we can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.